So I'm Sharad Chole. I would like to talk to you about always sensing cameras. Last couple of decades, what we have seen is the way we interact with devices has significantly changed. We don't really have to even touch the devices anymore. We can just give voice commands, and they most likely react to us. Like I keep on telling my smart speaker to play a song, but most likely I will get that song, sometimes not, but it just keeps on happening. The difference is that there is a paradigm shift. There is a paradigm shift from how we thought about interaction towards touch-based or keypad-based towards, from the touch or keypad-based towards voice-based. And what we are here to say is in the next few years, the next paradigm shift you would see is actually a vision-based solution. It's going to be more immersive, it's going to be more personalized, and it's going to enable new use cases that we as an industry would need to prepare for. And before we go further, let me introduce myself and the company. Expedera is founded in 2018 at the heart of Silicon Valley, and what we specialize in is building a neural processing IP, or NPU. In the last 4 years, our customers have shipped more than 10 million devices, and the total computational capacity that we shipped is around 200 exaops. A few years back, this would have been a very large number, but now it's millions of devices with tera operations worth of processing. It's easy to achieve this number. We have numerous patents. Right now, we have 4 R&D centers. We pretty much have R&D centers in every time zone now, every major time zone. And we are in the 3rd generation of our IP architecture.